Hello, I'm Dr. Anthony Lovett, dentist and founder of OPRO mouthguards. Nighttime teeth grinding can cause headaches, jaw pain, and sleepless nights. Using my dental expertise, I have designed the OPRO Night Guard to provide you with a professional quality dental guard. It offers the same level of quality as the ones I create here in my surgery, but allows you to enjoy the comfort of fitting and using it in your own home, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Before fitting your OPRO Night Guard, we recommend that you watch this video at least once to familiarize yourself with it. This is a precision product, so precision when fitting is key. The fitting process involves the use of hot water, so minors should be supervised at all times. As well as your night guard and fitting cradle, you'll need a ceramic bowl, some freshly boiled water, a spoon, a timer or a stopwatch, and some cold water in a mug or ceramic bowl. Before you start, and for the best fit, we suggest you familiarize yourself with the fitting cradle by inserting it into your mouth a few times without the night guard inside. Once you're ready, make sure you have your timer or stopwatch to hand, as the timing of the next few steps is vitally important. Pour the freshly boiled water into the ceramic bowl and immediately put the night guard into the water and start your stopwatch or timer. After exactly 12 seconds, using a spoon, carefully remove your night guard from the water and turn it upside down so any water can drain out. Shake the night guard firmly for up to, but no more than 10 seconds to remove any excess water and cool it down. Place your night guard centrally into the fitting cradle. Holding the handle, insert the fitting cradle with the night guard in place into your mouth, position the night guard over your teeth and bite down hard for at least 30 seconds, but preferably 60 seconds. Finally, remove your night guard and fitting cradle from your mouth and submerge the night guard in cold water for 30 seconds. You can leave the night guard in the fitting cradle if they are stuck together. Whilst your OPRO Night Guard is now ready for use, for best results, we recommend that you refrigerate it for 15 minutes or leave it at room temperature for an hour prior to it being worn.